Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about Agile Model, a flexible and interactive approach to software development. And also it is a iterative approach to software development also. We will walk you through the various phases of Agile and explain each point with crystal clear examples. By end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of Agile and its practical application. Now let's get started. So this is the Agile model diagram. So let's start with the basics. What is Agile model? So Agile is an iterative and flexible approach to software development. It is like making a puzzle by starting with the smaller pieces that eventually form the big picture. Let's say for example, imagine you are building a puzzle and you start by connecting the edge pieces first. Then you work on smaller sections until the whole picture comes together. This is similar to how Agile works, building software piece by piece. So now let's discussing about phases of Agile model. First one is requirements gathering. In this phase, we gather and prioritize the project requirements. It's like planning a road trip by deciding where to go and what to pack. For example, imagine you are planning a road trip. You decide on the destinations, activities, and what you need to bring. In Agile, this is where you gather and prioritize what the software should do. The next phase is design and development. In this phase, developers and designers work together to create a small functional parts of the software. It is like building a house room by room. Let's say, for example, when building a house, you start with the foundation and then you add rooms one by one. In Agile, developers and designers create functional parts of the software known as increments. The third one is testing. In the testing phase, we ensure that each increment works correctly or not. It's like checking if the each room in your house is safe and functional. Let's say, for example, imagine you are inspecting each room in your house to make sure it is safe and meets your requirements. In Agile, testers do the same for the software increments. The next one is review and feedback. After each increment, stakeholders review the work and provide the feedback. It's like showing your room to a friend and getting their suggestions for improvement. When a friend visits your room, they might suggest rearranging furniture for better flow. In Agile, stakeholders review and provide feedback to improve the software. The next one is incremental updates. The software is updated incrementally based on the feedback and changes. It's like redecorating a room based on your friend's suggestions. When you redecorate your room based on your friend feedback, you are making incremental updates. In Agile, the software is updated in small steps, keeping it relevant and aligned with the project's goals. The next one is repeat. Agile is iterative, so the process is repeated for each increment until the software is complete. It's like continuously improving each room in your house. The next one is so let's explain with an example. Just as you keep enhancing rooms in your house, Agile development repeats the process for each increment until the software meets all the requirements. In the final conclusion, the Agile model is a flexible and iterative approach to the software development. It involves phases like requirements gathering, design, development, testing, review, and feedback, incremental updates, and continuous repetition. This method allows for adaptability and ensures that the software is always aligned with the project goals. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.